How to add shopping preferences in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. So here on the right top you can see your account. Tap on your account. Now we're in this account settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option called your shopping preferences. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can customize the way you want to shop. Here there are different categories that you can select and change into. So simply select the category and customize whatever things that you want to buy from this application, or what are your wants and needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.